This is S53 to Port Richmond. Next stop, 4th Avenue and 86th Street. Transfers available to the R train and S79 SBS. This stop is 4th Avenue and 86th Street. Next stop, 4th Avenue and 90th Street. This stop is 4th Avenue and 90th Street. Next stop, 92nd Street and Fort Hamilton Parkway. Transfers available to B8, B70 and S79 SBS. This stop is 92nd Street and Fort Hamilton Parkway. Next stop, Lily Pond Avenue and Major Avenue. Transfer available to S51. This stop is Lily Pond Avenue and Major Avenue. Next stop, McLean Avenue and Lily Pond Avenue. Transfer available to S81 Limited. This stop is McLean Avenue and Lily Pond Avenue. Next stop, McLean Avenue and Railroad Avenue. This stop is McLean Avenue and Railroad Avenue. Next stop, McLean Avenue and Mills Avenue. This stop is McLean Avenue and Mills Avenue. Next stop, Sand Lane and McLean Avenue. This stop is Sand Lane and McLean Avenue. Next stop, Sand Lane and Highland Boulevard. This stop is Sand Lane and Highland Boulevard. Next stop, Highland Boulevard and West Fingerboard Road. Transfer available to S78. This stop is Highland Boulevard and West Fingerboard Road. Next stop, Highland Boulevard and Bionia Avenue. This stop is Highland Boulevard and Bionia Avenue. Next stop, Highland Boulevard and Steuben Street. This stop is Highland Boulevard and Steuben Street. Next stop, Highland Boulevard and Allendale Road. This stop is Highland Boulevard and Allendale Road. Next stop, Highland Boulevard and Clove Road. Transfer available to S79 SBS. This stop is Highland Boulevard and Clove Road. Next stop, Clove Road and West Fingerboard Road. This stop is Clove Road and West Fingerboard Road. Next stop, Clove Road and Grasmere Station. Transfer available to Staten Island Railway. This stop is Clove Road and Grasmere Station. Next stop, Clove Road and Mosul Avenue. This stop is Clove Road and Mosul Avenue. Next stop, Clove Road and Necker Avenue. This stop is Clove Road and Necker Avenue. Next stop, Clove Road and Britton Avenue. This stop is Clove Road and Britton Avenue. Next stop, Clove Road and Targhee Street. Transfers available to S76 and S74. This stop is Clove Road and Targhee Street. Next stop, Narrows Road North and Rhine Avenue. This stop is Narrows Road North and Rhine Avenue. Next stop, Narrows Road North and Richmond Road. This stop is Narrows Road North and Richmond Road. Next stop, Clove Road and Little Clove Road. This stop is Clove Road and Little Clove Road. Next stop, Clove Road and Howard Avenue. Transfer available to S66. This stop is Clove Road and Howard Avenue. Next stop, Clove Road and Foot Avenue. This stop is Clove Road and Foot Avenue. Next stop, Clove Road and Van Cortlandt Avenue. Transfers available to S62 and S66. This stop is Clove Road and Van Cortlandt Avenue. Next stop, Clove Road and Victory Boulevard. Transfers available to S61, S62 and S66. This stop is Clove Road and Victory Boulevard. Next stop, Clove Road and Beverly Avenue. Transfers available to S62 and S66. This stop is Clove Road and Beverly Avenue. Next stop, Clove Road and Clove Lake Park. This stop is Clove Road and Clove Lake Park. Next stop, Clove Road and Beamont Avenue. This stop is Clove Road and Beamont Avenue. Next stop, Clove Road and St. Peter's Cement. This stop is Clove Road and St. Peter's Cement. Next stop, Broadway and Coghlan Avenue. This stop is Broadway and Coghlan Avenue. Next stop, Broadway and Colonial Court. This stop is Broadway and Colonial Court. Next stop, Broadway and East Raleigh Avenue. This stop is Broadway and East Raleigh Avenue. Next stop, Broadway and Forest Avenue. Transfer available to S48. This stop is Broadway and Forest Avenue. Next stop, Broadway and Delafield Avenue. This stop is Broadway and Delafield Avenue. Next stop, Broadway and Cary Avenue. Transfer available to S44. This stop is Broadway and Cary Avenue. Next stop, Broadway and Castleton Avenue. Transfers available to S44, S46 and S54. This stop is Broadway and Castleton Avenue. Next stop, Castleton Avenue and Caroline Street. Transfers available to S44 and S54. This stop is Castleton Avenue and Caroline Street. Next stop, Castleton Avenue and Baker Street. Transfers available to S44 and S54. This stop is Castleton Avenue and Baker Street. Next stop, Castleton Avenue and Taylor Street. Transfers available to S44 and S54. This stop is Castleton Avenue and Taylor Street. Next stop, Castleton Avenue and Clove Road. This stop is Castleton Avenue and Clove Road. Next stop, Castleton Avenue and Jewett Avenue. Transfer available to S66. This stop is Castleton Avenue and Jewett Avenue. Next stop, Castleton Avenue and Herberton Avenue. This stop is Castleton Avenue and Herberton Avenue. Next stop, Port Richmond Avenue and Harrison Avenue. Transfers available to S57, S59 and S66. This stop is Port Richmond Avenue and Harrison Avenue. Next stop, Port Richmond Avenue and Bennett Street. Transfers available to S57, S59 and S66. This stop is Port Richmond Avenue and Bennett Street. Next stop, Richmond Terrace and Park Avenue number 1. Transfer available to S40. This stop is Richmond Terrace and Park Avenue number 1. This is S53 to Port Richmond. Please exit through the rear door.